Good morning, everybody. Chris McHale here with another McHale's Minute, just showing a really cool update we had just pushed today. We have been getting a ton of feature requests for a custom vendor page where it makes it easy and efficient for you to attach your preferred vendors, such as, Chris McHale's Roofing or a brokerage or a loan officer that you really recommend. With that said, we're going to navigate to our app section, and it's really cool. I just wanted to show it to you. We're going to go to our app section here. We're going to scroll down until we see the vendors button, and it'll be this little turquoise dude with a checklist, a check mark on it. It's under the SEO and content section, and this is live on all of your pages today. If you click it, it's going to look very familiar. You're going to go ahead and create a new vendor page. And all you're going to do is simply just fill the form out. It's not that difficult. It's going to be really, really cool. Once it's all created, you'll have a beautiful page with all of your vendors on it. So we're going to add some stuff here. All right, let's add it. Oh, whoops. This is just going to be the name. Right, Johnny Appleseed. How about we'll just enter in all of my information here. Cool.com. I wonder if that's a real thing. It'd be funny if it was. Anyway, so we can also attach an image of the logo for the vendor itself. Let's just pretend that this is it, even though it's just a Facebook image. We're going to scroll down. You can adjust what type of category it is if you want to as well, which is really, really cool. Let's see, roof contractor. And then you can type up a brief paragraph explaining to readers what makes this contractor so special, why you prefer him, how long you've been in business with this individual, things like that. You can also add media, which is really, really neat. And the other cool thing as well is you can also add listings here. And when you're done with it, you'll save the draft or preview it, go live, and you can check out the vendor that you've created. So we've got all the information there. Really, really neat. Pulls up the Google map. And obviously this page will look a heck of a lot better as you add more vendors to it. Definitely take a look at it. It's a really great way to share all of the people that you do use. This is great for networking. A lot of you folks have referrals through these types of vendors. So this is a great way to get that sorted out as well. With that said, I just wanted to show you the super cool vendor page that we've created for you. If you do have any questions about how it works, or you're struggling with getting it done, or you see something strange going on, please contact support@EasyAgentPro.com or hitting the help button in the upper right-hand corner. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.